to Ralph's real quick and get some strawberry daiquiri mix. I'm in the mood now. That's my mental space. Would you like a strawberry daiquiri?
No, thank you.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't want a strawberry daiquiri?
No. I haven't really been a fan of strawberry daiquiris since junior high.
That other one at the restaurant was so
It was very
refreshing.
strawberry. They did a good job.
So good. Want a watermelon daiquiri?
We do need to use that watermelon.
What kind of daiquiri do you want?
I don't. I do not. Chicky, chicky, chicky.
Swing up. You guys want to go to Catalina for the day?
No. No. That's not how you get to Catalina. They have to get their butts down to Long Beach.
Not if we're living in Playa del Rey.
And they have to get their butts to the marina.
Oh, we'll just pick them up. Let's just go swing by and grab them real quick.
It's not real quick. It's like an hour.
From Marina del Rey to Santa Monica?
Yeah, and then back to...
Here?
And then back to where you started from?
No,
So that's
not even. That's not an hour.
Vector
it's not even,
zero?
Not even close to an hour. It's like 6 miles, maybe 7. It's like 15 minutes to go grab them. And it's not even 15 minutes round trip because then you just go at an angle back to Catalina. You need to be nicer to the Matazonis. They've done a lot for your husband, okay? In your imaginary dealings with them, I expect you to be kinder.
But they're the reason traffic sucks.
But yeah, be like, hey, just hop on down to the pier because they can kind of walk there. I'm sure they could push a stroller down to the pier. Swing by, we'll grab you. We're fine. They can just take an Uber down to the marina too. Baby.
Yeah, that's right. You went to the pool with Jerica and Robbie and Daddy. Mm-hmm. And Teddy.
Oh, did I just make a mistake?
AutoZone.
You think, because I thought it was with the Ralphs.
This is not.
This is not the Ralphs. So you've failed me. You're breaking my heart, Waze. You're breaking my heart.
You know what I miss? I miss going out for sushi.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna do that for a date night.
I miss going out for alcohol. You know how much a can of White Claw cost at Real Inn?
How much?
Take a guess.
At Real Inn White Claw, $7.
$7. $7. It costs 14 to 16 for a 12-pack. I'm not seeing sprinting here either.
That was close?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We still can't go there.
We still can't go in there?
We still can't go
There it is.
around.
There it is.
So you're just gonna go in and pick it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh man, it's gonna be a puta trying to use my legs again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. La, 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 la.
We're rolling down.
No. Daddy's gonna get out and he's gonna come right back.
Hey, Mama.
I know, sweetheart. And we're gonna go home right after this. How about that? How about that? We're gonna go home right after this. Yeah, buddy? Yeah? No, he's gonna be back real soon. It's gonna be like 2 minutes. Okay? And then we're gonna go right home.
I want to go.
I know you do. I know you do.
Just get going, and then just have go on my there, see
And you're gonna hang out?
I want to go back here right now.
Charles, let's calm down, sweetheart, okay?
I want to go back here.
Yeah, sweetie.
Wake up for got color and go and circle. Why her did cat?
Why did she do that? I don't know. Charlie, I said I don't know.
You do know.
Bud, I don't know everything. You gotta learn that. Mommy doesn't know everything. Okay? Sometimes we have to learn about things together. And that's fun.
You do it.
Well, I guess maybe they wanted to go in the store together. So they both got out of the car together.